In this lesson, we are diving into one of the most crucial steps for your dropshipping success, which is setting up ZIK Analytics to uncover high demand, low competition products that can help you build a thriving eBay store. So let's get started. First thing first, what is ZIK Analytics? Well, you can see right here, this is basically ZIK Analytics. This is a dashboard. Later on, I'll show you how to basically get ZIK Analytics. In this specific video, I'll show you how to create an account, how to get the free trial, and how to get started with ZIK Analytics for just $1, as that's their offer currently. So yeah, let's answer the question. What is ZIK Analytics? Well, it's a powerful tool designed specifically for eBay sellers and other platforms also, such as you can see right here. We have Shopify, AliExpress, Amazon is coming soon as well. So yeah, it's designed for those marketplaces at the moment, and it analyzes market trends, track competitors, and identify profitable products. Think of it as your secret weapon for making data-driven decisions into your dropshipping business. Without it, you are essentially guessing what might sell. With it, you are equipped with actionable insight to maximize your profit. So you might be wondering, why do I exactly need this tool? As I said previously, it will help you analyze, take decisions more accurately, and most importantly is that you can't be wasting time doing a lot of manual product research. So this kind of automates the process for you and makes it less time consuming, and when you do it manually, it's often ineffective. So yeah, it will also give you data about like what's trending on eBay. As you can see, trending eBay products, as you can see, trending eBay niches, trending dropshippers, and so on. It will answer all of those, even how well your competitors are performing, which products have high demand but low competition, and so on. So as I said, I'll show you how to create an account and everything at the moment. So simply in your favorite browser, head to the URL tab, or you will find the link in the course notes below. You will type trackerbot.me/ZIK, and you'll be redirected to this page. We have basically partnered with ZIK Analytics to offer you 50% off the first month on all monthly plans and 30% off on yearly plans. So all you have to do to activate it is click on Start the $1 trail. Right after entering your email, you'll have to enter your full name here, a password, and then click I'm not a robot. Right after that, you'll be met with this screen. Click Let's Go. Now, all you have to do is click on Start $1 trial, and you'll be good to go. The payment method, for example, you can use Pioneer, credit or debit card, and PayPal. And then it will say that they are processing the payment. After a few minutes, it should be done. And that's it. After a while, it will say payment completed, start using ZIK, and then you will be redirected to this page. So I'll skip all of this for now, and let's get started with the tutorial. And now finally, you have created your ZIK Analytics account. Let's go through how to use it. So you can see right here in the top corner, we can see Market Insight, tools such as eBay, Product Research Tool, Category Research, Products Explorer, and so on. I will go through everything in the upcoming lessons, so don't worry about it. We can see right here, we can choose the language. There's notifications, there's news as well. There's advanced tools that are for premium subscription, I believe. And there's also upcoming events. So for example, if there's something coming, it will show it up right here. So Women's Day gift, so on. So this is the trending keyword for International Women's Day. You can also see trending eBay products, which are right here. Trending eBay niches as well, trending dropshippers, and in the left tab right here we can see even more options from product research, competitor research, product explorer, category research, title builder, ZIK Pro. As you can see, this is for VIP members, competitors, products. This is what you add in your personal products and competitors, tutorials and trainings that are related to ZIK. Some quick settings right here. You can, for example, change the marketplace, the shipping location, the source website. So where are you trying to look? The break-even location, which is basically a calculated estimated profit for the break-even point. You can find more advanced settings as well right here. If you go ahead to advanced settings, you'll find every advanced setting else. For example, for product research, store analytics, you can choose the store, competitor research right here. If you want to do sales date range about for example, 14 days or 17 days, integrations, and source website. So this is the source website that you'll be looking at basically. So you can log out, you can change also the theme from white to black, and that's pretty much it as well in this dashboard. And you can also see the support here, which is pretty important in case you have a problem. You will come to this bottom right corner, you'll click on home, you will send the message. They typically answer pretty quickly. And you can also find the frequently asked questions or getting started. So yeah, that's pretty much about it for this tool. I'll see you in the next lesson where we'll be going into more depth about this tool.